Xiamen Box Household Company Limited focuses on designing and providing high-quality, environmental-friendly, and innovative bento box to customers at home and abroad. With our nearly 2 decades OEM and ODM experienced team of household product research and development manufacturing. In 2018, our own original designed QBO and box brand bento box launched and sold more than 10 countries and regions such as France, Germany, Italy, Australia, Belgium, USA, and Japan, etc., which have got a good reputation and are deeply loved by overseas countries' people. With the goal to keep flavor and fresh meal with our stylish bento box to people who work at anywhere and kids in school or picnic, we insist on adapting 100% food-grade material. Any random samples from the whole lot are committed to achieve required standards. All bento boxes are approved by the third authoritative inspection institution as SGS TUV. Our bento-inspired sustainable, BPA-free plastic and bamboo fiber lunchboxes make it easy to pack the variety of food you crave to reduce the amount of single-use plastic baggies that get thrown away every day. Concentration, originality is our guideline. We are excited to work together with clients from all over the world to achieve fun of meal solutions for the entire family. We invite letters and calls. You are always warmly welcome to our factory for further partner relationships and mutual success anytime.